In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that Autofill is off, so to switch it back on, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!